Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English Road. Do you understand English well but still find it hard to speak confidently? You're not alone and you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll share 15 simple and powerful tips to help you finally start speaking English with confidence. Whether you're afraid of making mistakes, feel shy, or just don't know how to start, these tips are going to help you break through those barriers and speak more naturally. So let's get started. Tip 1. Think in English. Try to stop translating in your head. Practice thinking in English. Start with basic thoughts like, I'm hungry or it's sunny today. Try to think in English all day, not where is my phone in your language. Think, where is my phone in English. Tip 2. Speak out loud. Even if you're alone, talk to yourself in English. Speak English out loud every day. Talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing. I'm making tea. Now I'm sitting down. This builds confidence and habits. It really helps. Tip 3. Shadow native speakers. Listen to native speakers and copy them. Watch English videos and repeat phrases out loud. Try to copy the tone and pronunciation. This is called shadowing. It's great practice. Tip 4. Use simple words. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't try to speak big, perfect sentences. Start speaking with basic, short sentences like, I am happy or I like coffee. I like music. Today is sunny. Fluency begins with simplicity. That's perfect. Tip 5. Talk to yourself. When you cook, clean, or walk, talk. Say what you're doing in English. It sounds funny, but it works. Tip 6. Join speaking groups or apps. Look for online or local English speaking clubs or conversation groups. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a week helps. Talk with real people online. Use apps. You'll learn fast. Tip 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a sign of progress. Every time you make one, you're learning. Don't let fear stop you from trying. Keep speaking, even if it's not perfect. Tip 8. Learn phrases, not just words. Learn full phrases like, can you help me? Not just the word help. Phrases are easier to remember and use. Tip 9. Mirror practice. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. This helps with confidence, expression, and fluency. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak to yourself like you're in a conversation. Practice your confidence. Tip 10. Watch and imitate. Copy actors, YouTubers, or speakers you like. Try to speak just like them. Same tone, same feeling. For example, watch a cartoon. Pause when a character says, have a nice day, and say, have a nice day yourself. Tip 11. Set goals. Set small goals. Start with something like, I will speak one sentence in English today, like, today I will speak for 5 minutes, or this week I'll learn 10 new phrases. Small goals lead to big progress. Tip 12. Practice with AI. Talk with AI like ChatGPT. You can practice any topic. Just say, let's talk about food or ask me questions. Tip 13. Use the 4-3-2 method. Talk about one topic for 4 minutes, then again in 3 minutes, then again in 2 minutes. Each time you'll speak faster and more fluently. Tip 14. Repeat often. Say one good sentence many times, like, nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Repetition makes you fluent. Tip 15. Celebrate small wins. Every time you speak, celebrate. Say, yes, I did it. Be proud. You're making real progress. You can do it. Keep speaking every day and don't give up. Practice every day, speak without fear, and soon you'll feel confident speaking English anywhere. Which tip did you like the most? Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Road. We're here to help you grow. See you in the next video.